Hi, welcome to LeetCode. In this video, I'm going to discuss LeetCode problem 3457. So problem name is eat pizzas. So you are given an integer array pizzas of size n, where pizzas I represent the weight of the ith pizza. If every day you eat exactly 4 pizzas, okay, due to your incredible metabolism, when you eat pizzas of weight w, x, y and z, where w is less than equal to x and less than equal to y and less than equal to z. So this actually sorted, means non-descending. So you gain the weight of only one pizza, okay. So on odd number days, means 1, 3, 5, you gain a weight of z, okay. And on even number days like 2, 4, 6, you gain a weight of y, okay. Find the maximum total weight you can gain by eating all pizzas optimally. So it is guaranteed that n is a multiple of 4 and each pizza can be eaten only once, okay. So we actually maximize the, suppose this is actually odd day, so then actually I will take 1, 2, 3, 4 pizza, and whatever the actual maximum actually I have, this will be added to our answer, right. Now ultimately they want to maximize our answer and we have to return the maximum answer actually possible, right. So for this example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this actually they already mentioned that this will be multiplied, n is a multiple of 4, okay. Here so 8 elements are present, so 4 times 4 pieces actually I can eat at a time. So 2 times actually it is possible. So I have to maximize the weight. So how to do? So first of all, for odd day, first is the odd day because the day is 1. So what will be the logic? I have to maximize the z, right, maximum value. Now I have to actually sacrifice w, x, y. So what value actually it should be I should actually sacrifice. I should sacrifice the minimum 3 value. So here actually 3 minimum value is 1, 2, 3. So what I'll do? So I will take 1, 2, 3 and z is actually 8. Okay, this is for day 1. For day 2, so this is already taken. So only these 4 actually elements are present. 4, 5, 6, 7. So here actually the answer will be y. So ultimately the value is 8 plus 6, it is 14. This is clear why actually answer is 14. Okay. So ultimately what I have to do? So for odd day, I have to sacrifice or I actually sacrifice 3 smallest number that is present in the array. In the even day, I will sacrifice the number actually present 2 smallest number that is present in the array, correct? Because they actually don't contribute anything in our maximum answer. So what actually the best way to actually increase our answer? So what actually they actually don't contribute, that should be the minimum value, because ultimately I have to maximize the weight. So I'll actually remove all this 3 for odd day. I will remove 3 smallest number, and for even day I will remove 2 smallest number. Okay. Now this is odd day. It is clear that we will take the maximum value that is ultimately present in the current array. Okay. Now for even day, I will take the second maximum value. Now ultimately again it will come as a day 3. So there is no order. So ultimately I will try to take maximum value as 8 again. What are the maximum value actually present? So the maximum value that is present in the array, that should we try to take as the odd day. Try to take on the odd day. Suppose for this example, let's see this example. So I have sorted this array. So this is sorted. So 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5. Okay. Now first day is odd, day 1. So what I will do? I will sacrifice the 3 smallest number. So I will sacrifice this 1, 2, 2. Okay. Now I have to take the maximum value that is present in the array 5. Okay. Next, how many actually the total day actually is possible. So total number is present 12, and 4 actually pizza actually I can eat actually in one day. So 3 days actually is possible. So how many odd day it will be? Two odd day. So this is actually day 2 and day 3. So what to do for day 3, for odd day, next odd day, for day 1 and day 3, I'll actually keep this. What are the maximum value actually I have? I will keep this actually I will keep this number. So I will place this in the odd day. So I have taken this 5 in the day 1 and I have placed this in the day 3. Got it? If another day actually present, suppose day 5, then actually I will keep this in this position. Right? So to maximize this, because I know the anyway actually remove this 3 smallest number, so they actually don't contribute anything ultimately, because this actually 5 actually greater than 2. Here actually 5 is greater than 2. So that's why I actually remove 2, but actually I'll try to keep 5 till it is possible to keep. Now next, here 3 days is possible, so I'll keep this day 1 and day 2. Next, I have taken this for day 1 and day 2. Day 3. Sorry, day 1 and day 3. I actually keep this 2, 5 for this 2 day. Now next is for event day. For event day, what will be the weight can be possible? That will be y. So what will be the y value here actually for this 4 and 5? It will be 4. Second largest value here after removing this for odd day. For event day, I should try to take the second largest value. Here the second largest value is 4. So I'll place this into the here actually. Got it? For day 2. 5 actually anyway it will, if it is only 1 5, so I do not matter, because it will be anyway it will be removed. Right? This is clear how actually I have to do. So first of all, try to take the how many actually odd day are possible and how many actually event day are possible. Okay. For odd day, try to keep maximum value for odd day. Okay. For event day, after keeping maximum value for odd day, for event day, what to do? What is the number actually I have after that remaining number? I will try to take the second. So this will be y and this will be z. Second largest value as our answer. Okay. So I'll actually for this I will take this and to the answer, and I will shift this the rightmost pointer here. Got it? For our event day. Got it? Now go to the code. They need to be more clear actually. So first of all, sort the array. So I will check that how much data are possible. So it will be k is equal to n by 4. Total number of pieces actually I have, and 4 pieces actually in one day. So the total number of days will be n by 4. So how many odd day will be? K plus 1 by 2. Okay, means suppose k is equal to 3. So 3 days are possible. So how many actually odd days are possible? K plus 1 means 3 plus 1 by 2. It will be 2. But event will be what? Total number of days actually k, and minus of odd days. Okay, and I will return a long answer is 0. And the rightmost position for the odd days, it will be n minus 1. Try to keep those maximum value as for odd days, because that will actually maximize our answer. So for odd days, the number of odd days, I will actually add this answer of the right pointer value into our answer variable and write minus. This is for the odd days. And for even days, what to do? I have to take two largest element, but in answer the second largest element will be actually added. So I actually have the rightmost pointer now after taken for all the odd days. Now for even days, I will take two value. One is the rightmost, and then second largest or second rightmost element. So I will shift this r minus. This is actually sorted order, non-decreasing. So rightmost value will be always larger than or the greater than equals to the previous number. So this is the second number, and also shifted this r minus, and add this into the second largest value is will be added into the answer variable, because this is for event days. Mention that event days, for event days it will be actually y. So this y actually here actually is, and ultimately return the answer. So this is clear. So if you like the explanation and if the concept is clear for you, please like the video. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe the channel And if any suggestion, any doubt, any confusion, please comment on that. Thank you.